Let's now take you back to Limpopo, where Lutendo Bobodi is covering that story where COSAS is marching to the offices of the health department in the province. Lutendo, what's the latest?
Thank you so much. We profusely apologize to the viewers for lack of audio earlier. But of course, as I was saying, schools reopened here last week, and prior to that, there was some sort of a ballot that a lot of schools here ran requesting parents to vote whether they wanted their children to come to school or to attend school every day, all grades, or just to continue alternating classes according days according to class and grades. But of course, the majority won, and the majority said that learners should come to school to attend school every day. But of course, this Monday, just 4 days ago, learners or our children came back with letters stating that schools cannot guarantee social distance. They cannot guarantee the safety of the learners, which is why this march now, COSAS has organized this march. They tell me that also inspired them to organize this march, of course, to demand the vaccination of these learners. And from COSAS is the provincial chair, Skalo Matladisa, who joins me now to give us more on that. Skalo, thank you so much for your time. We very much appreciate it. You organized this march, and you demanding that learners should be vaccinated. This despite the policy of vaccinating according to age groups not changing. Just talk to us about it. Just elucidate more on that.
No, thanks very much. But to correct the first thing, I'm the provincial secretary of COSAS Limpopo. Of course, we are of a view that the Department of Education in Limpopo have never been ready to host the learners in tertiary level, necessarily because it is practically impossible to have more than 300 learners in one school which have got 2 or 3 blocks. We can't allow a situation of this nature to continue. We have long been telling these people that PPEs were not delivered. The nutrition program of the department is not being implemented. There are no food. There are no feeding scheme in schools. Learners are not eating ever since the reopening of schools. More than 20,000 learners have not been eaten ever since. And we understand that learners who are learning here from quintile 1 to 3 schools are the children of the working class. Their mothers can't be able to afford to cater them every day. We were looking up for this feeding scheme so that learners can be able to be catered care of. So we believe that COVID has imposed on us extraordinary circumstances. As such, we need extraordinary response. In this regard, we are calling for vaccination of all learners, necessarily because they've been lying to us ever since. They told us that science proved that coronavirus can only infect old people. We lived to see that what they were saying is far away from the truth. It's not even close to the truth. Young people are dying. Young people are dying every day.
Okay, thank you so much. I can see here a sizable number of learners coming through. Looks pretty much organized. I see some of them being buzzed in. Are you sure? Can you ensure that there be safety in terms of COVID-19 regulations?
COVID-19 regulations will be observed. We do know and note that current COVID-19 protocols allow for gatherings of not more than 100. So learners who will be here are not going to be more than 100. They are going to be marshaled. They are going to sanitize. They will be wearing their masks. They will observe social distancing. Everything will be in order. We do not want to take everything out of order like the department is doing, of risking the lives of learners in tertiary level.
Thank you so much, Skalo. Thank you so much. Yeah, as you can see, there's a number of learners here coming through. They'll be marching from here. This is SABC Park, and I'll reiterate, Deshri, that this is not our park. It has nothing to do with us, but it was nicknamed SABC Park due to its proximity within the SABC. And they'll be marching to the Department of Education first. That is just about 250 meters from here, and then they'll be marching to the Department of Health, which is less than a kilo from here. Desri.
Lutendo, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed.